Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can buy diving gear in Fisherman Roblox. So if you're looking for the diving gear so you can go fish in the deep, here I'm going to show you exactly where the diving gear is hidden and the types of the diving gear. So in the fish eat itself, there are two types of diving gears that you can get. The first one is of course like the basic diving gear. This is a legendary tire, and the second one is the advanced diving gear. This is a mythic tire, and this one is the advanced versions of the first one with much more storage for oxygen. So for the basic diving gear, you can easily get it here on the Fisherman Island. You can just go to the utility stores, head inside, and you'll find the diving gear that you can purchase for 75k coins. And as for the second or the advanced diving gear, you need to sail out first to the Pirate Cove to get the advanced diving gear. So just go to there. Okay, so I've already in the Pirate Cove. So to buy the advanced diving gear, you can just go inside the Pirate Cove, and in here you'll see this one, advanced diving gear. And for the advanced diving gear, you need to buy it for 1 million coins. So that's how you can get diving gear in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.